Hi guys, welcome to Tune Basics, the series that teaches you how to play the basics. Today we'll be taking another look at that old hymn, How Great Thou Art, and how to play it on a tremolo harmonica with 16 holes. Let's take a close look at phrase 1. Blow into 9 3 times. Blow into 7. Blow into 9 3 times. Breathe in through 10 twice. Breathe in through 8. And breathe in through 10. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. For phrase 2, breathe in through 10 3 times. Blow into 9. Blow into 7. Blow into 9 twice. Breathe in through 8 twice. And blow into 7. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. Now phrase 3 is exactly the same as phrase 1. And phrase 4 is exactly the same as phrase 2. So let's move on to phrase 5. Blow into 9 twice. Blow into 11. Blow into 13. Breathe into 14. Blow into 11. Breathe into 12. Blow into 11. Breathe into 10. And blow into 9. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. For phrase 6, blow into 11 twice. Breathe in through 12. Breathe in through 8 twice. Breathe in through 10. And blow into 9. And blow into 7. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. Now phrase 7 is exactly the same as phrase 5. So let's move on to phrase 8. Blow into 11. Breathe in through 12. Blow into 11. breathe into 14, blow into 13, breathe into 16, breathe into 12, and blow into 11. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. Now try putting all the phrases together. And there you have it. And remember, if you're the kind of person who prefers learning the harmonic using tabs, then check out my tabs page. There's a link in the description below. And until next time, stay tuned.